England, 1953. In Cambridge and London, scientists are figuring out the structure of DNA. Meanwhile, in Oxford, a researcher named James Gowans is trying to solve another biological puzzle, the mystery of the disappearing lymphocytes. He knows that these small cells flood into the bloodstream continuously from the lymphatic system. But where do they go and what do they do? To find out, Gowans adds a radioactive label to some cells and injects them into rats. He discovers that the cells move from the blood to lymph nodes through lymphatic vessels and back to the blood again. The cells are not disappearing, they are circulating again and again. Today we know that these lymphocytes are the B and T cells that are a vital part of our immune system. By continuously moving around the body, they learn to recognize infections and help us fight them. To understand how, let's follow one T cell on its journey. Right now it's in the bone marrow, beginning its change from a stem cell to a more specialized cell. Next it travels to the thymus, where it matures into one of two types of T cell. This CD8 T cell has been trained and is ready to work. But because it hasn't yet been activated, we call it a naive T cell. It moves to the bloodstream, then squeezes through a special blood vessel and enters a lymph node. Lymph nodes filter fluid and proteins from surrounding tissues. The T cell scans around, looking for pieces of virus or bacterial proteins. Nearby, a virus has infected the skin. A dendritic cell grabs an infected cell and travels to the lymph node, where it presents chopped up pieces of viral protein called peptides to the T cell. Fortunately, this T cell has a receptor that recognizes one of the peptides, kicking off an immune response. The activated T cell starts dividing. Some of the new cells become effector T cells. Special homing receptors tell them to go to the skin, where they kill infected cells. Others become memory T cells. Some hang around the infection site. Others keep moving around the body. They are all ready to kickstart the immune response if they spot this virus again. Which brings us back to the observation that Gowans made, that T cells keep recirculating around the body. Why? Each T cell expresses a unique receptor that can only recognize a very few peptides. To increase the chance of a T cell encountering a peptide that matches its receptor, it must keep moving and searching. If all the T cells with their different receptors do this, the immune system has a good chance of detecting anything that might cause a problem.